Hello everyone, welcome to the cybersecurity practical series. I'll demonstrate usage of Metasploit in this particular session. So the software we're using host OS is with Windows 11. The virtualized software is VMware Workstation Pro. The attacker machine is Kali and the target machine Metasploitable. So the objective of this practical, first of all, we'll identify the vulnerable services using reconnaissance tools such as Nmap. So from Kali, we will use this Nmap tool and check the vulnerabilities, and we will search for the particular service and the version which can be easily exploited. And we will also use parameters such as RHOSTS, RPort, or whatever is required, and execute the exploit against the vulnerable machine which is Metasploitable. So now let us start the two machines, Kali as well as Metasploitable. Now after starting the machines, we'll check the IP address of this. So if config, so this is the IP address 192.168.78.129. Now let us go to Kali machine. Now here I'll just open a terminal. So first let us check the IP address if config. So this is the IP address. Now let us check if it is are we able to ping from Kali machine to the Metasploitable. So ping 192.168.78.129. So we are able to ping. Just Control C to come out. Now we will run the utility, the command nmap for reconnaissance to check how many services are active as capital V and 192.168.78.129. So by this command we will know how many services and the versions of the services which are running on the Metasploitable. It will take some time. So we got the output. So these are the services and their versions which are running on the Metasploitable. Now we'll explore them and exploit it. Now we will launch the Metasploit framework. So Metasploit framework is a pen testing tool which is inside Kali, and Metasploitable, which is a virtual machine, which is a vulnerable machine. So now we'll open one more terminal. We can even do this here itself, but I prefer to open a terminal. So here we have various, you can see the one, we will explore this one, VSFTPD. So I just open one more terminal, and here I launch the Metasploit framework. So the command is msfconsole, enter. So we have this. So here this is the console. Now here we will search for this vulnerability. So search for VSFTPD and enter. So it is matching the modules, and we have these two, 0 and 1. So we'll explore this number 1. So I'll just type use. So this is there in the database of Metasploit. I'll show some more afterwards. So let us say use 1. I'm just typing use 1. Okay. No payload configured, defaulting to CMD Unix interact. Okay. Now let us see the options which are available in this. So these are the options available. So here we can use this RHOSTS option to set up the host. So set RHOST, the IP address of the machine, Metasploitable machine, the victim, .129. So this is set. Now we can run this run this exploit. Okay, so here as we can see, we are successful in doing so. So backdoor service has been spawned and we get the root access. So now suppose if I type the command pwd, click inside and type pwd, so it will print the working directory of that victim machine. And if I type the command who am I, so it is root. So we can actually do this. So what we have done is we have entered we have explored the backdoor, so it is not asking us for any username password. We have explored that and got access to that particular machine, the victim machine. So this is all we can do. Now I'll just do one thing. I'll just exit from here, and then now we can explore some more thing like the previous here. Sorry. So here we can even explore this Apache as well as any other thing we can actually explore. How to do that? Let us see. So search, say Tomcat. So these are the 74 vulnerabilities which are more than around 74. So these are the vulnerabilities which are there in the database. So we can explore any of this related to Tomcat, and so on we can do for any other service. So this is how we can use Metasploit. So that's all for this session. Thanks for watching.